How to edit a PDF in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to open and modify a PDF file directly inside Word. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. After that, click on File, then click Open. From there, browse to and select the PDF file you want to edit. At this point, a message will pop up letting you know Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. In the next step, click OK to confirm the conversion. Following this, Word will open the file as a regular document, with text and images now editable. Once done, make any changes you need, like editing text, adding images, or adjusting formatting. From here, click on File, then Save As once you're finished editing. At this stage, choose PDF from the File Type dropdown to save it back as a PDF. Keep in mind, complex formatting like tables, columns, or unique fonts may shift slightly during conversion, so review the document carefully before saving. Finally, click Save to complete the process. And that's it. If this guide helps you edit a PDF in Microsoft Word, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.